Spiritual Manthan.
Welcome, dear viewers, to a transformative journey towards becoming a divine being, radiating a magnetic energy that draws people towards you. In this video, we'll delve into 5 divine habits that will not only make you highly magnetic, but also elevate your existence to a higher plane of existence. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and become a beacon of inspiration and connection? Let's embark on this extraordinary quest together. 1. Unconditional love. In a world often characterized by its divisions, prejudices, and conflicts, the concept of unconditional love shines as a beacon of hope, offering a path towards deep and meaningful connections. It is the first of our divine habits, a virtue that transcends boundaries and reminds us of our shared humanity. Imagine a love that resembles the boundless expanse of an open sky, a love that remains unwavering and constant, untouched by the storms of life. Unconditional love is precisely that, a love that doesn't waver when mistakes are made or when we find ourselves navigating the treacherous waters of hardship. This love is not conditional on perfection. It's pure, selfless, and all-encompassing. What sets unconditional love apart is its ability to transcend the limitations we often impose on our relationships. It shatters the barriers that divide us, be they cultural, social, or personal, and creates connections that are built upon trust and mutual respect. When one loves unconditionally, they radiate an authenticity that captivates others. This magnetic force isn't driven by manipulation or self-serving agendas. It's a genuine and unadulterated force that makes people feel safe, seen, and accepted. However, the question arises, how can we practically apply this divine habit in our own lives? It all starts with self-love. Before we can extend unconditional love to others, we must first learn to offer it to ourselves. This involves accepting our own flaws, insecurities, and imperfections. It means recognizing that, like everyone else, we too are deserving of love and kindness, not because of what we achieve or how we appear, but simply because we exist. Approaching others without preconceived notions is another crucial step. It requires empathy, the ability to understand and connect with the feelings and perspectives of others. Empathy allows us to step into someone else's shoes, to see the world through their eyes, and to acknowledge their struggles and triumphs. When we approach others with empathy, we create an environment where unconditional love can flourish. Expressing love is not solely about words. Actions speak volumes. Letting people know you love them through both words and deeds can have a profound impact. Sometimes, a simple "I love you" can mean the world to someone, reminding them of their worth and significance in your life. Perhaps one of the most transformative aspects of unconditional love is its ability to dissolve grudges and resentment. In its essence, unconditional love is infinite and boundless. By letting go of grudges and embracing forgiveness, we free ourselves from the burden of carrying negative emotions. We open our hearts to the possibility of healing and growth, both for ourselves and for those we love. Unconditional love is not a lofty ideal reserved for saints and sages. It is a profound and attainable divine habit that can enrich our lives and transform our relationships. It starts with self-love, extends to empathetic connections with others, and flourishes through genuine expressions of love and forgiveness. When we open our hearts to the power of unconditional love, we not only become magnetic to those around us, but also contribute to a more compassionate and connected world. 2. Selfless Service. Selfless service, the second divine habit we explore, is a beacon of light in a world often overshadowed by self-interest. It is a testament to the power of altruism and the profound impact it can have on both the giver and the receiver. The essence of selfless service lies in the act of giving without expecting anything in return. It's an act of pure generosity, fueled by love and compassion. In this selfless act, we find a profound connection with the essence of our humanity. A reminder that we are all part of a larger tapestry where our actions ripple outward, affecting others in ways we may never fully comprehend. One of the most direct ways to practice selfless service is by volunteering your time and skills to help others. Community organizations often provide opportunities for individuals to contribute to causes they are passionate about. Whether it's volunteering at a local shelter, participating in a cleanup effort, or mentoring a young person, the act of giving your time can be deeply fulfilling. But selfless service isn't limited to structured volunteer work. It can also be expressed through simple, everyday acts of kindness. Sometimes, the most valuable gift you can offer someone is the gift of your presence. Being an attentive listener can provide solace to someone in need. In a world filled with distractions, a sincere, empathetic ear can make all the difference. Random acts of kindness are another powerful way to practice selfless service. These small gestures, such as paying for someone's coffee or holding the door, might seem insignificant on their own. However, they have the potential to brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of positivity. When someone experiences an unexpected act of kindness, they are more likely to pay it forward, creating a chain reaction of goodwill. Donating is another significant aspect of selfless service. Whether it's contributing money to a charitable organization, giving away clothes you no longer need, or providing food for those who are hungry, donating allows you to share your resources with those in need. These acts of giving can have a profound impact on individuals and communities, providing them with the support they require to overcome challenges. Sharing knowledge is yet another facet of selfless service. By teaching skills or offering advice to those who could benefit from your experience, you are passing on valuable insights and empowering others to grow and improve their lives. It's a way of saying, "I care about your growth and success." Incorporating selfless service into your life can be deeply fulfilling. It connects you to a larger purpose beyond your own needs and desires. It reminds you that your actions have the power to create positive change in the lives of others, and this realization can bring a profound sense of joy and satisfaction. Selfless service is a divine habit that enriches both the giver and the receiver. Whether you volunteer your time, perform random acts of kindness, donate resources, or share knowledge, each act of selflessness contributes to a more compassionate and interconnected world. It's a reminder that, as human beings, we have the capacity to make the world a better place through our acts of love and service. 3. Fearless authenticity. In a world that often encourages conformity and places a premium on fitting in, the divine habit of fearless authenticity stands as a beacon of light, guiding us towards a more genuine and fulfilling existence. It invites us to peel away the layers of pretense and societal expectations, allowing our true selves to shine through. In this segment, we'll explore the profound significance of fearless authenticity and how it can transform your life into one of harmonious alignment with your core values and desires. Fearless authenticity is not merely about being different for the sake of being different or defying societal norms without reason. It's a profound commitment to honoring your inner truth and living a life that resonates with your deepest convictions. In a world that often rewards conformity, it can be a courageous act to stand firmly in your authenticity. The magnetic power of authenticity. Authenticity is a magnetic force that draws people towards you. When you are authentic, you radiate a unique energy that is irresistible to those who long for a genuine connection. People are naturally drawn to those who are unafraid to be themselves, as it gives them permission to do the same. Authenticity creates a space for vulnerability, trust, and profound human connection to flourish. Furthermore, fearless authenticity is a potent catalyst for personal growth and well-being. It liberates you from the shackles of societal expectations and allows you to express your thoughts, feelings, and desires with honesty and integrity. By living authentically, you free yourself from the internal conflicts that arise when you suppress your true self to fit into a mold created by others. Embracing self-reflection. To embark on the path of fearless authenticity, begin with self-reflection. Take time to introspect and delve into your inner world. Understand your likes, dislikes, values, and beliefs. This self-awareness forms the foundation upon which your authentic self will flourish. When you know who you are at your core, it becomes easier to express your authentic self to the world. Self-reflection allows you to discern between the expectations and opinions imposed by society and those that genuinely resonate with your essence. It empowers you to let go of the need for external validation and approval. Expressing your truth. Fearless authenticity encourages you to express your opinions, desires, and perspectives without fear of judgment. It's about speaking your truth, even when it may be contrary to prevailing norms. This doesn't mean being reckless or dismissive of others' views, but rather it emphasizes the importance of staying true to your convictions. Aligning actions with values. Authenticity also entails ensuring that your actions align with your values. It's about embodying integrity in your daily life. When you live in congruence with your values, you experience a sense of harmony and purpose. There is no internal conflict, as your thoughts, feelings, and behavior are all in alignment. Shedding the comparison trap. One of the greatest impediments to fearless authenticity is the habit of comparing oneself to others. In the age of social media, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of measuring your life against the carefully curated images and narratives of others. However, comparison only serves to stifle your authenticity. Your journey is uniquely yours, and comparing it to someone else's is an exercise in futility. Fearless authenticity demands that you stay focused on your path, recognizing that your individuality is a source of strength and authenticity. Fearless authenticity is a divine habit that empowers you to embrace your true self and live a life aligned with your core values. It liberates you from the constraints of societal expectations, fostering deeper connections with others and promoting personal growth and well-being. Through self-reflection, honest expression, and alignment with your values, you can embark on a transformative journey towards a more authentic and fulfilling life. Remember, your authenticity is your superpower, and it has the potential to inspire others to do the same. 4. Inner peace. Inner peace, the fourth divine habit, is a precious state of being that many aspire to achieve in today's fast-paced and often chaotic world. It represents a profound calmness of mind and a tranquil emotional state that allows you to navigate life's challenges with grace and serenity. In this expanded segment, we'll explore the importance of inner peace and offer practical guidance on how to attain and nurture it in your life. The essence of inner peace. At its core, inner peace is about finding a sanctuary within yourself where external turmoil cannot penetrate. It is not the absence of external challenges or difficulties, but the ability to remain centered and undisturbed amidst them. When you possess inner peace, you radiate an aura of tranquility and stability that draws people towards you like a magnet. Seeking peace within. The first step on the journey to inner peace is the recognition that it can never be found outside of yourself. It's a common misconception to seek peace in material possessions, relationships, or accomplishments. While these can offer temporary happiness, true inner peace transcends the external world. One powerful practice to cultivate inner peace is mindfulness. This involves paying conscious attention to the present moment without judgment. By observing your thoughts and feelings as they arise, you gain greater insight into your inner world. This awareness empowers you to respond to life's challenges more skillfully, rather than reacting impulsively. The gratitude journal. Maintaining a gratitude journal is another potent tool in the pursuit of inner peace. It encourages a shift in focus from what is lacking or problematic in your life to what you appreciate and are grateful for. Each day, take a moment to write down 3 things you are thankful for. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to naturally gravitate towards positivity and gratitude. When you approach life with a grateful heart, you are better equipped to handle adversity, as you see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. This mental shift is fundamental to cultivating lasting inner peace. The art of letting go. Mastering inner peace also involves the art of letting go. Holding on to grudges, past mistakes, or excessive worries can disrupt your inner equilibrium. Recognize that there are things beyond your control and that carrying the weight of unnecessary burdens only hinders your peace. In the words of the Buddha, you will not be punished for your anger, you will be punished by your anger. By releasing negative emotions and practicing forgiveness, you free yourself from their destructive influence. Inner peace thrives in an environment free from the shackles of resentment and anger. Becoming resilient and wise. As you continue to nurture your inner peace, you'll find that you become more resilient in the face of life's challenges. Adversity no longer shakes you to your core. Instead, you meet it with a calm and composed spirit. This resilience is a testament to your inner strength. Moreover, inner peace enhances your wisdom. It provides you with clarity of thought, enabling you to make decisions based on rationality and intuition rather than emotional turbulence. Wise choices lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Inner peace is a divine habit that is not only attainable, but also transformative. It empowers you to remain unruffled in the face of life's storms and to navigate its challenges with grace and resilience. By cultivating inner peace through mindfulness, gratitude, letting go, and embracing wisdom, you not only become magnetic, but also contribute to a more peaceful and compassionate world. Remember, you are the keeper of your own tranquility, and the path to inner peace begins within you. 5. Boundless Compassion. Our 5th divine habit is boundless compassion, a limitless empathy and kindness towards all living beings without discrimination. This innate quality extends not only to humans, but also to animals and the entire universe. Practice empathy by putting yourself in others' shoes, understanding their feelings and motives. Listening more than you speak can be a powerful form of compassion. Advocate for those who cannot speak for themselves, standing up for justice and fairness. Boundless compassion not only draws people towards you, but also transforms you from within. It elevates your humanity and taps into the profound interconnectedness of all beings. You become a beacon of hope, a pillar of strength, and a source of comfort for others. These 5 divine habits, unconditional love, selfless service, fearless authenticity, inner peace, and boundless compassion, are the keys to becoming a highly magnetic and divine being. They empower you to create deep connections, radiate authenticity, and inspire others to live their best lives. Start small, but be consistent in implementing these habits into your daily routine. Remember, you have the power to transform yourself and, in doing so, positively impact the world around you. Share this video with your loved ones to inspire them on their journey towards becoming highly magnetic divine beings. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember that you are not alone. Together, we can create a world filled with love, kindness, and boundless compassion. Thank you for joining us, and may you radiate the magnetic energy of a divine being in all that you do.